Okay, how about this? Introducing 720 series HIKVISION Turbo HD DVR resolution up to 4K resolution. Okay. Reminders: if your TV or monitor is 4K, you can select 4K. Okay. But if not, you cannot change. Example, like this configuration 920 over recommended. If I put 2K, then apply, if I cannot view my DVR output to this one. I need a 2K or 4K TV so that I can go to this menu. I have a trouble. First I get this one, then I check to 2K, and then I cannot view. Then I need to have a TV so that I can put it TV that is 2K or 4K, and then I can view this one and then put it back to the recommended. I have separate video for that one because my DVR is stuck to that 2K setting. Right now this is the default recommended. And then this is my power supply for my camera. Okay. Then the DVR. It's the DVR. Okay. Power supply, mouse, HDMI output. This is the 8 channel DVR. HIKVISION. Okay. 8 channel, 8 megapixel, up to 8 megapixel. One hard disk, but my HD is only 2 tera. I need to upgrade to 4 tera. Just only a 2 weeks for 2 tera. 1 tera is 1 week. 1 month is 4 tera. Okay, that's it. I need to share to you, and then I need to install. Already tried this. And then can install on my room. And I have 8 channels. Also I have 8 cameras. All is 5K. This is 5K. 5 MP. Sorry. 5 megapixel. This is my my dome. Okay. And this is the wire. Siamese wire. Power supply, and then the connector. This is 30 meters.